Alright, this water is much better in Burleson, so I'm getting rid of this. So they got a camera here. I saw somebody walk in. Alright, it looks like my Samsung Active 2 is dead. I put it against this magnet just to let it sit. And I think the magnet might have killed it. I've held the button down. I've held both buttons down. Magnets kill these things? Alright, I'm trying to charge it, but it's not charging anymore. And what's strange is this is a magnet that charges it. I thought the magnet would be fine to hold it up. I killed it with a magnet? So I'm cooking potatoes right now, and as much as I'd like to take them out and then cook use the water to cook oats, I'm just unnerved by all the activity around me. So annoying. I think I might just stop at the taters. But if I went over to the library, there's a community center, and I could probably continue cooking over there. But I would want this exact parking position in reference to the wind, because the wind is really whipping by me, holding up the flags, really blowing, but I'm at the perfect parking angle where it's hitting all straight in the back side of the car. I don't feel any wind right here. And I don't think I want to get into a parking position over at the library that will take in all the wind. Even with my door open, I'm not feeling any wind inside. Yeah, you can see the wind is holding up this flag pretty good. It's pretty windy. Alright, so smashing potatoes is pretty decent. The texture changes when you smash them, of course, compared to unsmashed potatoes. I ate a few of these unsmashed potatoes, and I felt like I needed to chew into these more for some sweetness to help accentuate the unsmashed potatoes. But then I smash them, and the texture makes it more palatable, where I don't have to eat something sweet with the potatoes. You know, in the time since I got this bag, I've been damaging things way too much. Yeah, that's not going to show. There's already some scratches I just can't get out. I need to protect this lens a lot more. I can't notice any difference on the video, but because this is visible, it's got to be doing something. Alright, Benbrook, Walmart. I'm just a mile and a half out. Traffic's getting a little crazy, so I just want to record this last stretch. Traffic is picking up. So I could park on the right. I saw that on the map. I was thinking about coming back to it. On the outskirts of Fort Worth, on the west side, because I don't want to go into Fort Worth if I can help it. Which it looks like I can, actually. Oh. I'm getting a lot of red camera alerts for the intersections, red light camera, but I don't see those cameras. Oh, it's only 40 on this road. Walmart's on the left side, and okay, it's past.
1/2 mile. Arrive at Walmart Supercenter on the left.
Yeah, I know this GPS is going to have me try to drive past Walmart. So I got to pay attention now. Within 0.4 miles, There might be some turn on the left sooner than that. But it's definitely in the next section over. I could maybe even pull in, take a left here at the intersection, and that might work, but I don't know. Yeah, okay, I see the Walmart sign. Yeah, I might have been able to take a left here. I'm just not sure. I see the Walmart sign. Ooh. Is this my turn? Yeah. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I just had to get a closer look. Oh, this might not even be. Oh, Jesus. I don't know if I could fit in there. I don't know if there's any avenue of approach to Walmart. Oh, here it is. Okay. All right. I did not see this. Okay, here we go. All right, grocery is on the left. It's pretty wet here. Living. You know,
in 400 feet, turn right, then take the first left.
I get the impression that actually being on the grocery side might
turn right, then take the first left.
Might have its advantages. Cause yeah, there's all those businesses on the other side. So I'm gonna come back around, see what the side parking is like on the grocery side. It looks kind of busy with those two cars pulling out. Right. I'll just take the end parking. That would be fine to me. All right. So I jumped to this Crowley Walmart because I'm getting a little anxious about the heat coming in, the spring, summer heat. Want to be positioned better for that, to deal with the heat. Then I think I'll jump over to the Crowley Walmart or the Crowley Library tomorrow. I should probably make a bigger jump, but just as long as I'm on a good path north. So I try to look indiscriminate while cooking by holding my phone to make it look like I'm looking at my phone, standing here for so long. This is a cute setup. Alright, Crowley Library from Walmart. And this is 2 miles. It's gonna be a warm day today.
Turn right on Centennial Place, then take the first left.
Centennial Place, take the first left.
Turn left on Centennial Place, then take the first left.
I hope you're right.
Turn left on East Main Street.
East Main Street. Oh, it looks busy. Yeah, this is gonna be a while. It doesn't get so busy that they need stoplights.
1.5 miles. Turn left on South Beverly Street.
All right, left. Okay. Crowley. Yeah, I gotta head north. It's just gonna be getting too warm around here. Too warm for homelessness. 45, okay. Nice playground for kids. Bicentennial Park. $30. Yeah, not much going. Oh, 45 now. Alright, just to reset. Oh. So this guy's got a Texas flag, or an American flag over the or one of them police flags over the state of Texas. I don't like that. I don't like that type of artistry. It's art though. I mean, let people be creative. But when it comes down to starting a movement like that, all this pro-police movement, then I get a little issue with that. Right, we should be going here. Oh my god, what? Okay. Just taking their time, giving the streets a couple extra seconds to clear out if need be. Planet Fitness. Left on Beverly. What the heck? Oh. What, speeding? 30, okay. Take a left on Beverly and 0.4 miles. It's 30 down here. I guess that's pretty busy then with 30 miles an hour. A lot of pulling in. Oh my god, what?
In 1/4 mile, turn left on South Beverly Street.
Oh, right. Oh, I'm hitting that at 20. Beverly. Dentists and florists. Child care.
Turn left at the traffic light.
All right. Looks like I'll be stopping. Turn left on, oh, gotcha. It's 40 down this road. Lots of grackles over there. They move in their groups. Safety in numbers.
Turn left on South Oak Street.
Alright. Oh, is that the, yeah, I think that's the library up ahead. Oh, that's a fire station.
Turn left on South Oak Street.
Oh, there it is. Recreation Center, library. Okay, this is the one. And then I'm just...
Arriving at Crowley Public Library on the left.
Okay. Oh, that guy took up a lot of spaces. That's fine. Okay, gonna stop it. That's this. And it said,
you can only be logged into one device at a time. Did you have it on your phone?
Yeah, I mean, I go back and forth. I turn one off and then turn the other on and go back and forth sometimes.
Yeah, because sometimes there's a delay on how fast you can log off on the computers or on the Wi-Fi. So
no, there's no delay. It made it pretty clear. It said that I'm already logged on to one, so you're saying you can only log on to one.
Right, just one device at a time.
Well, why not just give me another password or whatever for the laptop?
Okay, I could do that.
I've never seen this system before.
Yeah, that's how this works.
I mean, I'll just wait till the tech guy comes in at 12:30. He's probably the one that set it up.
Yeah.
I'd be interested to hear his thought process. In front of the Crowley Library. Is this the first time I've ever seen... Oh, wait a second. This is a food distribution box, not book distribution. Nothing good that I would eat. Blessing box. So which is it, 3 or 1? 1 or 3? Now, what's the difference between you may purchase an all-day pass for $3 and $1 per event charge? Do you know that?
So the $3 is if you come in. Excuse me. When you get a guest pass, it's free for the first time.
Yep.
After that, it's $3 every time you come in. So when you come in the second time, we get all your information and we give you a day pass.
Yep.
So that's what that is.
Okay, and then on the computer, I wrote down this message, $1 per event. So what, like, is that along this? I mean, it looks like it's along the same lines with the spot system.
I've never seen that message.
Okay, that's something to bring up with either the library director who's not here or the tech support who's not here.
Right. He'll be here soon.
Soon? Yeah. All right, thank you. All right, so this was replenished today, and I saw that there was more on the top. That was oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna take prunes and pineapple because it's in the juice. I'll take these right in front of the library. All right, walking around the Benbrook Walmart here. The heat is just too much. I can't stand this heat. It's a mugginess too. It's a moisture. It's only gonna drop to 70. March 14th or so. My watch is broken. I lost track of time. I tried to remember it. I think it's March 14th or something. And I want to move north. It doesn't look like much relief moving north, but there's got to be some. It's all plains north. No significant rise in elevation as far as I understand. So that's not, I gotta make bigger jumps to get some relief from the heat. Oklahoma City by April 1st is not out of the question, that's for sure. Before, even in this month, getting to Oklahoma City in this month is not out of the question because the weather is looking about the same as the Dallas-Fort Worth, west of Fort Worth, in the 50s at night or so. It may be a couple degrees difference. Yes, it rained this much last night. I think those are worms. Crackles haven't gotten to them yet. And it's raining right now. So I definitely have my regrets about throwing away that tea strainer. Thinking that I could squeeze the rest of this liquid out. I threw it away because I didn't know how to make tea. I didn't even know how to warm up water. Now that I know how to cook with my Christmas stand, things are, my perspective's changing again.